or understood by the customer. Right? I'll give you an example. So once people start to understand your welfare, I will go back to the restaurant example. You may say that you have the best chef, you have the best ingredient, you are sourcing from one of your friends here, and you have the best. But if I don't understand your value, will I come to you next time? So what is market? I am the market, right? I bring in 10 people, I bring in 50 people. Now what is marketing? I want answer. What do you understand by marketing?
Excuse me, sir, can you show the previous slide?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Well, start the PPT, yeah, but yeah, I mean, you won't understand anything, that's it. Can I change?
Yes.
Yeah? What is marketing? I want answers. See, I don't want the one person to be talking here, I'm not a professor.
Sharing your value, explaining your value so you can
Okay.
get more market.
What is the basic? Come to basics.
Speaking about
Speaking, how? Communication, how?
By telling about product.
Okay. About products or? Okay. Imagine you have a product, you tell about your product. Do you know whether I need it or not?
The point is to make you feel like you need it.
It's an information more than
So,
information to the people who need it. It's just a part of
Good.
information.
good, good. How many of you agree with this?
Yes.
ठीक है ठीक I am thirsty, you sell water, ठीक है I can buy water at 5 rupees, I can buy water at 500 rupees, right? There are companies which sell water at 5 rupees, there are companies which sell water at 500 rupees. How are the ones who sell water for 500 rupees are successful? Have you ever thought this? Whenever we speak, whenever you go out with friends and all, how many of you are spendthrift here? Like, I mean, I will buy only the premium products. How many of you are there? I mean, I will raise my hand.
Only
Yeah?
people.
Why? What is the reason?
I perceive the more quality is probably.
So with the price you relate with quality, right?
Yes, brand access.
Yeah. Make note of this point. With price, he refers to the quality. So that is something which is imbibed in you. You know, whichever thing is costly, it is good, right? How many of you own vehicles here? I mean, at Nepal, what vehicle do you own? कौन सा vehicle? कौन सा car?
Scorpio and
Scorpio, huh? So Scorpio, I'll take example of Scorpio. So imagine Scorpio, imagine some Maruti car. You all know Maruti, right?
Yeah.
Huh? What is the difference between Maruti and Scorpio? Huh?
Scorpio is something different.
Luxury.
Both are cars.
Yes.
Both are cars. Both only, you can drive, you can go in the limited speed. All that they show in that you cannot do in city, or else you will be put up in jail. But you get something out of Scorpio, right? By owning Scorpio, you feel the pride. You love the product, right?
Yeah.
So Mahindra has created that desire in you. But if you see the shell of the car, the frame, A pillar, B pillar, जो भी बोलते हैं ना, if they remove all the brand name and everything, and they keep a Vitara and a Scorpio, both will look same. Yeah? So, marketing is the art of creating desire and the science of convincing. The companies have convinced you to buy premium products saying that मेरा quality अच्छा है. How many of you are fans of Pepsi and Coke here? Pepsi, Coke. Coke? Why not Pepsi? Because?
Bland, sir.
Bland. Okay. Then?
Taste is better.
Plus people get when you drink Pepsi.
I mean, if you have to, you are going to approach an ad agency, or if you are going to create an ad for yourself, for example, he helps influencers to run more business. This thing applies to individual products, everything. So next time when an influencer approach you approach, all these things is done. So basically, if you do MBA and all, no, they used to say there are 4 P's of marketing. There's a product, price, place, promotion. So there should be a product, there should be a price for it, there should be a place, there should be promotion. Now these 4 things apply predominantly to product marketing. That is something physical, something you can touch, you can feel and all. And then you go to the services. Okay? So in services marketing, if you are dealing with something intangible like law, AI, and stuff like that, it is people, process, physical evidence. I will explain you all these things. All these 3 relate to something called as services marketing. Now, as I said, product marketing is typically something tangible. Services marketing is something intangible. So, what is the difference between tangible and intangible?
Like you can touch and feel it.
So, in today's business world, everything is digital, right? In today's business world, everything is digital, right? Though they are product, but everything is digital. How do you make something which is digital tangible?
By actually using it.
Associating with the product physical.
Okay, for example, Google. What is Google? What is the tangibility of Google?
The resources.
So, what is the difference between AI and Google? I will be covering that also. Earlier it was Google, now it is AI. What is the difference? You think, introduction of AI, people have stopped using Google?
No.
Why? AI gives you more detailed result, right? In Google, if you search, for example, how many of you have tried? My head is, the next result will be your cancer.
Yeah.
Have you tried? My head, your head is aching, you have a tumor, you have a cancer, you are going to die.
Right.
Yeah? So why people have not stopped using Google yet?
Repeated pattern.
Diversification of information.
Maybe the convenience. Hey, you have to go, you have to type a prompt, and उसको पहले समझ में नहीं आएगा, वो कुछ और आंसर देगा, then you have to type the prompt again. See, before joining MMA, I was heading business for a healthcare. There are about 80-85 people working, all were Gen Z group. Okay? That was the first time in my life dealing with Gen Z group. And imagine I was the only male in the office, 85 females. Gen Z.
What is
You are too lucky.
बात लगी थी, ठीक है?
You are too lucky.
90s kid, yeah. So,
God bless.
So what happened was, all these girls were, they were from small villages, but they tried, they studied well. All of them are PGs. We were into nutrition and lifestyle, so all were dietitians. But their English was very poor. And that was the time this ChatGPT and all came. So whenever a client messages or whenever there was a mail, even the mail they sent to me, you know what they used to do? Can anyone guess? I've given you the hint. ChatGPT
They
communication.
used to send the emoji as well.
Emoji, it's okay. I can forgive. What they used to
Yes,
say?
what
Initial
They send the prompt itself to the client. Client is asking me this, what should I reply to this idiot? A client को गया था and that client is in US. He's saying that, your dietitian is calling me idiot, I paid 50,000 per month, what is this? मैंने कहा हो ही नहीं सकता ऐसे. Then he is sharing me, the screenshot of it. मैंने कहा okay, you use ChatGPT, it's okay, but why are you sending the prompt? She is like, if I copy, in ChatGPT or Perplexity, if you copy, the entire things get copied. And they just send. Whose mistake is it? This is the answer I got. Not my mistake, ChatGPT.
So emails are never answered.
So all of you here are with the concept, right? Yeah? All of you are here. So now, see, I won't say teach, but I am going to explain something which has been there for more than 300, 400 years, and this is a strategy which will live forever. If you crack it, you can run any business. But you have to understand to the core. How many of you have watched Pokemon? Okay. Only few. All of us are very studious. But पढ़ा तो हो गया. No Pokemon.
No, there was no TV in our home.
Sad story. बना दो यार इसका वीडियो एक.
Please.
Yes, put some the tea music. बना दो इसका. So, whatever products we use now, okay, the laptop, projector and all, you think things have evolved? Now that guy is coming with some, what is that? Interactive. See, I am interested already. And once you make, you send the proposal to MMA, we'll start using it.
Yes.
Okay?
Line done.
So, whatever product you deal with, there will be a starting point for everything, do you agree? Yeah? So now with this concept, you compare each and every product you use in your life. I'll give you one or two examples, but you think of examples which you are familiar with. So there is a core product. I'll tell you what is a core product. Can we take example of a mobile phone? Is that okay? Everybody is comfortable with it? Okay. So what does a mobile phone do? What is the purpose of mobile phone?
To connect with people.
Communication, calling. Okay.
Time, to see time.
So
Save time.
even before mobile phones were introduced, communications were happening.
Yes.
How?
Landline.
Even before landline.
Letters.
Letters.
Ah.
Even.
Yeah. Even.
Even.
Exactly the answer I was looking for. Kabutar. Okay. From Kabutar it came to postal, and then it came to landline, then cordless, mobile phone. See, so the core product is communication. You need a tool or something to communicate to other who is far away, right? So all your girlfriends are sitting in Nepal. Now you can WhatsApp, but in those times so the core product is a tool for communication. So let's take an example of कबूतर. ठीक है, कबूतर के पाँव में लगा दिया और वो जाएगा. ठीक है. So from this core, what are the issues you think the king would have faced with Kabutar? There is a very famous movie in Tamil. You won't know, he is from Telugu background, I guess. A comedy movie on a king. Okay. So another king sends this Kabutar to him, seeking that if you don't stop supporting British, I am going to attack you. You know what this king did? He caught the Kabutar, fried it in ghee and ate it.
Dies on the way.
So, Kabutar and all, too boring for you. Let's go with landline. Okay? So, what is the actual product here is
Sir.
a telephone. Yes, please.
What is the outcome of that story? That please.
Outcome of the story that other king comes to attack. You mind? I'll show you the video in the end. Though you don't understand the language, you can understand what he does. Okay? Because if I tell that the essence won't be, I will definitely show you. Please remember. So the core product is a tool for communication. The actual product is a telephone. And how many have you seen this telephone? The round wala?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. From that the button came. So it's a telephone. So you have a telephone at home. That's the actual product. You can dial. You can speak with everybody. What was the expectation back then? Imagine you are traveling back to 30, 40 years. You have a phone, typically the landline. What was the expectation?
If we carry the phone with us.
Yeah. So the expectation was I am standing in a place. And typically those days the phone was in hall. You cannot do romance and all. Okay. Even if somebody is talking, and it was very expensive. Very expensive. And the expectation was, can I carry it to somebody? Then came the cordless. From cordless, we shifted to mobile phone. So, the augmented product here is mobile phone. Right? Now take an example of mobile phone and today's smartphone. What is the core product? A phone. Typically Nokia phone, have you seen? Nokia phone was there. We satisfied the customer that you can go anywhere and all. So from that, people wanted to hear music. Then people wanted to click photos. Now people wanted to surf. And in future, there will be no physical phone. It will be like, now itself the Meta has built on glass, no? You can do like that. So you compare this with any product you use today. And the thing is, today's augmented product, which the advanced phone which we speak, the most advanced product is tomorrow's expected product. Something new will come? Yeah, I mean, I have a projector here. He is building something, interactive projector. Maybe, I mean, I can just move my hands and it will change, I guess. When it comes, I don't need a physical machine if I think so. Yeah? So this concept was built 300, 400 years back. And if you are into business, I would seriously recommend you to learn this guy. His name is Theodore Levitt. Study his book. You get the best strategy, but study not like you study for exam. Study like he is your friend. Because this theory is applicable. Do you agree? This theory is applicable even today.
Yes, sir.
Whatever innovation, even Elon Musk, it's applicable, right?
So in Coke, but they are not doing anything. They are
Sorry?
Coke. Coke.
No, they have.
Coke.
Coke.
So what is
There is innovation.
Since 100 years they are selling.
There is innovation, but how they are selling? It's a very good point.
Yeah.
Since 100 years they are selling the same product, how are they able to make money?
By changing the bottles.
And here, 100 years I am selling the same product, you are right.
Immersion.
But how am I able to sustain?
They sell
You
it.
see, Coke 100 years back, it was sold in a pharmacy. Now where you find Coke? Majorly in fast food chains.
Yeah.
Option ही नहीं है, you know, right? So that is how it is evolved. You may have a same product, but there are ways of selling it different. Now I mean, see, when I was young, when I was in school predominantly, you know, we used to get this cool drinks in glass bottles. Here, now I cannot find glass bottles at all. Only thing I have is PET bottle, and that is also deodorant. Yeah, I will. I'll share you in WhatsApp. So let's go to जो सात चीज बताया था ना, you know, let's go deep into it. So what is the product? As you say, the first question I asked, product is something which we produce, right? Now think in the angle of customer, which product will sell? What we produce versus what the customer wants. Which will sell?
What will produce?
Acha, you produce something, let me see, in this room how many bikes? Nobody, I'm not demotivating you, I'm just telling you the fact.
But I want to.
Anji, can you take the mic please? Just a request. Butter. Okay, now, today evening we are all going to start a bakery, for example. Okay? Tell me, which will sell more?
Amul.
Why?
It's a brand.
ठीक है, what is the brand?
If we are starting bakery.
Hey, I mean, what's your name, ma'am?
Prakriti.
हाँ, प्रकृति is the brand. Brand is nothing but अभी जब आप पैदा हुए थे, when you were born, we don't know your prakriti or something, right? I mean, your parents named you. So, this is prakriti when she was born. This is prakriti now. That is what is brand. What does the brand do?
Cross.
Basic of brand is it creates a perception in you. You imagine brand as a person, right? For example, I tell Apple is going to come. You know Apple products? How many of you like Apple products? How many of you hate Apple products? You are my name. Okay. I imagine I am saying that Apple, the brand is going to come in. Whom will you imagine? Just imagine. Why?
He died already.
मर गया.
How you become?
No, but I would imagine.
Okay. So, why do you relate that characteristics to the brand?
Because he was the.
That's a very good answer. Why?
Because he himself was a brand.
Okay, but what makes you?
No, I just
So, I mean, whenever
Simple.
you use an Apple product or something like that, you agree with whatever he conveyed, right?
Yeah.
I am safe and all. So, this is the difference between a brand and a product. Yeah. So, when it's a pure commodity, people will have, ठीक है, मक्खन है, मक्खन है. That's it. What is the big difference between Amul Makhan and this? If I remove his dress and make him nanga, will you be able to find difference?
No.
Then why does it sell so much? Then what is the tagline of Amul? Anybody know? Anybody?
We don't know.
We don't.
No one knows? Okay. Amul's tagline is Taste of India.
Okay, yeah.
Are you aware of the brand Amul?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, I don't know much about Nepal's brand. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Maybe I should come someday and say that. Taste of India. What is Taste of India? See, when I heard this for the first time, I was like, I mean, did he lick all the Indians and, tag him? What is the taste of India? There is a deep meaning behind that tagline. I'll tell you the history of India. Okay, India was predominantly agriculture. That was the only source of revenue for us. And even today, India survives 30-40% due to agriculture exports only. And in agriculture, what is the main thing? Right? People used to have their own cows, their own milk, everything. And whom do you relate milk with?
God.
Apna socho, matlab,
Mummy.
if mummy. Yeah? So whatever comes from the mother's hand is good. Though you may don't like it. I mean, mummy khana bana kya hai? Roz ye banate. But when you are away from home, you do miss that, right? So now you understand the power of that one sentence. Not कि बट ऐसी उठा सुबह बाथरूम जाने के बाद लिख दिया टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. There is a deep meaning behind it. So as she was saying that her teacher told कि you should convince a customer what is your product, not listen to him. It's absolutely right, but you should also know what is his need. For example, she is into legal services. Okay. Yeah. Second is price. How many of you believe here that if you lower your price, your sales will boost?
No.
Good. Yeah. Good. I am going to take photo of all of you and show it to all the Indians. All are idiots. People who are studied in the same institution, they believe if I lower my cost, my sales will grow. Why it will grow? Why does the sale doesn't grow up when you reduce the price? Why? The answer is right. कि प्राइस कम करने से सेल नहीं बढ़ता है. But why? See this why no? If you keep on asking why, that is it. That is what I am trying to out of whatever little knowledge I have, that is what I am trying to explain to you. Why? Why is price very important? Especially in Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan को छोड़ दो उनके पास है. So and even in some parts of UAE, because they are still only Dubai and things are very expensive. There are some parts in UAE where they are lower than us, and there are some parts in Africa which is much more lower than us. Have you all traveled to Africa? UAE? Anyone? Go on. I recommend all. For example, he drinks a water which is 500 rupees. I drink 5 rupees water. Does it mean that I cannot afford it? I choose to spend what I want. Achha. How many of you know Royal Enfield bikes here? बहुत चलता है ना नेपाल में? Okay. चलता है ना, but it is running, no? Which is the most popular bike in Nepal?
Pulsar.
अच्छा, सही में? Okay. So last year my birthday falls on January 1. I decided to gift myself a motorbike. I bought a Royal Enfield, which is 5.5 lakhs. Okay? Am I an idiot? No, if you ask a finance guy, he'll say you're an idiot. Because it is not going to give me anything, right? Return on investment, kuch nahi hai. If I'm going to sell the next day, it will go 40% of its value. But why did I? My need was, I wanted a twin cylinder. Guys will understand better. I wanted a twin cylinder bike and an affordable product. What is the option I have? That's not an option. It is 10, 12 lakhs.
Triumph.
Triumph twin cylinder is again 9 lakhs. Hmm?
So there are no.
No options. But my need is I want a twin cylinder. So I bought. So if this explanation I gave, what am I trying to do? I am trying to satisfy कि तुमने जो कुछ भी किया है वो ठीक है. If you ask my mom, she will be like पागल, छोड़ दिया. The reason is I bought from my own money. If I went and asked her, you could imagine, what would have happened. So affordability versus value. As you rightly said, reducing price won't make more sales. But how do you increase value through price? Do you understand that price determines the value of a product or service? Yeah?
Yes.
How many of you have got rejection because of when you quote somebody? When you meet a customer, you give a quotation, right? Itna so. How many of you have got rejected? What did you do after rejection? Negotiation?
Negotiation.
How?
No.
Sometimes negotiation, sometimes
Did you come down from the what you have quoted?
not for that customer.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes.
for that customer.
कितना?
12%.
सही है. How about you? Did you come down?
10-15%.
15%. 12, 15 and then?
5%. And someone, I will just throw them out.
What is the reason?
The brands were big ones. So
You thought that working with them will give you more. A name?
On a name.
Name.
Another name.
But is the thing, I'll tell you one secret. All these big brands, they are never going to refer you. Believe me. तुम डालोगे भी ना, tomorrow डालोगे भी ना, hey, I signed a deal with Microsoft. घंटा फर्क पड़ता है.
No, but you can tell to another people as well.
But if I'm going to put you in a time machine, same negotiation happens. I am there with you. The client is negotiating. I am saying that now increase the price. Will you do? क्या होगा? Imagine.
If client asks to increase the price.
He finally got a prototype of projector. Since the product is easier for me to explain.
No,
ठीक है? He is quoting me that, sir, with your voice command it will act. And if you forget something in presentation, वो ऊपर स्क्रीन आके तुमको दिखाएगा ये सब. Okay, just imagine, he is bringing a prototype and he is saying that 50 lakh, 50 lakhs is the value. Okay? Now I am negotiating with him. Why you are a startup? I am a very big brand. If you deal with me, I have 10,000 corporates. All the top businessmen in India are my members. Your name will be, promoted to everyone. That will happen. ठीक है? Tomorrow you deal with MMA. 10,000, all the top businesses, including Tata, Reliance, government officers, everybody will hear your name. But what is the use? I am negotiating like this. I am saying that give it to me at 10 lakhs. But with me, you are going to get entry to all these conferences. Will you agree? Right? There are two ways in it. You said you won't agree. Anybody will agree for this? Why?
Because he's giving us recommendation and the product is getting free marketing. So it's a marketing cost.
ठीक है. But without marketing, you are losing 40 lakhs here.
But you can put it
How will you recover?
most of the brands.
Tomorrow when you meet investors, no?
So we'll keep it as a marketing cost. In the initial.
But when he charged me 50 lakhs, okay? Now you are on my side. I am bringing you on my side for negotiation. He quoted me 50 lakhs. And the moment I say, I will promote you among 10,000 corporate members and all, he agreed for 10 lakhs. For example, will this product be devalued or not? कल को even the smallest of smallest thing, I'll be complaining him कि कुछ बेच दिया मेरे को 10 लाख में, and I'll be denaming him, bad naming him, right? But if he says, नहीं sir, since I met you long time ago, I'm going to give you 50 lakhs, वरना मेरा प्राइस 80 लाख, लेना ही लो वरना भाड़ में जाओ. If he says that, Okay. What I'll do? Okay, I have at least 30, is it? No, yeah, sorry. I have some meeting. Final offer for you 60 lakhs. 50 भी नहीं दूंगा, 60 lakhs. Basically Maruti, Honda गाड़ी मालूम है? Honda City?
मारुति सुजुकी मारुति
Honda नहीं मालूम है?
होंडा
मालूम है ना? तो मारुति में सियाज है? है? Honda City मालूम है? है? तो a person who owns a Maruti will always desire to buy Honda City, right?
वी डोंट नो सर
पर जो भी होंडा खरीदता है will he ever buy a Maruti?
नो
क्यों? I have driven both. What is the difference between Honda and Maruti? Basically, नहीं ब्रांड नहीं मतलब कस्टमर के साथ सोचो मारुति हैज बीन पोजीशनड एज अफोर्डेबल राइट होंडा इज समथिंग लाइक क्वालिटी जापान ये इंजीनियरिंग वो जो सब कुछ साला यहीं पे बनता है कुछ जापानीज कुछ नहीं बनता एवरीथिंग इज मेड बाय all our people only so now you understand why whenever there is an opportunity you should never go down the price okay. Third and the most important thing is place. I was asking Balraju, sir, we should have conducted this training in MMA. I mean, these two, I was like, nahi, this itself is a headache for them. If I am going to bring them to MMA, they will run away. Traffic and all. So, place where your business or the place where your product is sold or the place where your product is going to is very important. So it is accessibility. So now digital and things like that you are accessible, right? Which is more important here? Which is more important, accessibility or comfort? Both is not an answer. Accessibility. Okay. What about comfort? Yes, please. Comfort. How many of you vote for accessibility? Acha, you are saying in hotel, no? I mean, he gave a beautiful example that how many of you want to come to IIT? Everybody lifted their hand. Then he told 2 points, everybody. No, nahi, mere ko nahi hai. Which one there? IIT is accessible? Yeah? We can roam around the campus. कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. रात को भूत भी आएगा, शाम भी आएगा, सब कुछ आएगा.
We are boys, sir.
Comfort wins, right? And whatever is accessible, yes, please. Whatever is accessible is always low in cost. Whatever is comfort is always high in cost. How many of you have done shaving like this? I mean, girls leave it here. You would have never gone to a normal barber in life.
No, we have when we were small.
हाँ वो छोड़ दो तब बच्चे थे then it was typical one bench बिठाओ बर्तन पकड़ो we all came from there right so now we are grown up ऐसे दुकान में जाते हो
Yes, sir.
कितने लोग जाते हैं
When I feel poor, I will go there. We do massage.
he is a brand ambassador for all these things इसको देखने लगता है कि he is going to one of the most premium salons in India or Nepal but he goes to so what is the difference you see here?
I don't like this guy.
नहीं
Money.
No feelings.
no picture
No feeling. I got it. No feelings. It's like
Hey.
close, it's like close room.
दोनों जगह में दाढ़ी ही जा रहा है ना not like I mean if he shaves and something else will come out तो but why इसके पास 50 rupees 40 rupees
Yeah.
Yes.
something
We can give them.
हाँ कुछ भी
Comfort.
अपना है and even if you do shaving and go you won't say anything you get free chai also there यहाँ पे मिलता है
Head massage.
हाँ
Head massage.
हेड मसाज नहीं सब मसाज मिलता है
Body massage. सब कुछ.
हाँ वैसे ना मसाज ही does I mean
Yeah.
कुछ
I go for that.
अगर ये सब इससे पूछोगे तो कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा
5,000.
500.
Too much.
But why?
Somehow.
Why do people choose? There are people who choose this. There are people who choose that. What is it? What is
To
the
take
reason?
selfie. This one for to take selfie.
Safety.
Selfie.
Selfie. हाँ ठीक है.
Selfie.
Comfortable.
Acha, I'm asking all the girls. Today a guy goes, I mean, to the luxury salon, takes a selfie. You even bother? Well, but if he goes there and say, hey, मेरा भाई चाय पी रहा हूँ, there will be something interesting. You know,
But that one is more of an experience.
experience in terms of both have experience, both have different experience. Luxury, like how? Let us talk serious. No, I mean, here you feel that it is more. Anybody, I mean, there is a person who is dealing with surgical items. Huh? Something called as sterilization and all you will be aware of. So here you feel that all the knife, blade are sterilized, properly cleaned. उधर क्या है? 10 लोग बैठे रहेंगे, सबका माल है एक ही है. And it is not only face. There. You hope you understand what I'm saying. सब बाल है, सर का, यहाँ का, सब बाल में वही ब्लेड तुम्हारे मुंह पे ही लगेगा. But safety and the comfort. You know, you have air condition, you have somebody greeting you, free में चाय पिलाएगा. You never even know what is that. वो चाय है कि क्या है. सब कुछ पिलाएगा. ठीक है? And you got आपके लिए बहुत बेसिक है. So you have a uniform and ऐसे सलून में वैसे क्या करते हैं? I mean, you go there, you do your thing. What is the next thing you do? They do.
They'll wash it.
Wash it.
अरे वो सब ठीक है. उसके बाद
Then they charge money.
they will always try to
Or offer
sell you something, sell you products. Yeah, always try to sell you products. यहाँ पे कुछ करता है?
कुछ नहीं.
नहीं ना. So if he imagines, if he perceives, like I'll tell you one example. Okay, near my home, there were maybe it's too much.
Yeah, it's good.
Need or need किसका need? आपका need की customer का need?
Customer.
Customer का delivery.
How will you find the customer need? वो research हो बाद में. What is the difference between need and want? Need is
Required.
demand. ठीक है. So what is the thing you would, which will attract you as a businessman? Desire or demand?
Desire.
Why?
Human psychology desire to be
Desire fulfill करोगे जितना मर्जी पैसा देगा. Right? होटल रूम है, जकूजी है, बाथटब है, सब कुछ है. Once in a lifetime will you pay or not?
Yes, sir.
Unless you know you get 1,000 crore, 10,000 crore funding, you will pay daily. That is different. But once in a lifetime सबको है ना. So that is a desire. एक वीडियो है.
Okay, sir. We'll love to watch.
This is a ad, okay. Speaker नहीं है. I hope you guys hear it. यार देखा किसी ने?
Sir.
नहीं.
Heavy.
हाँ.
Yes.
और
Someone told.
उसका काम क्या है? I mean, this is adhesive.
Quick.
चुपकाने का काम है. इतना अच्छा चुपकाते हैं कि साला मछली सारा आ जाते हैं. One more thing, if you watch clearly, I'll play it one more time. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Watch from the beginning.
That will-
ये सुबह से बैठा है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ये सब रख रखा है यहाँ पे. संतरा उतरा रख के बैठा हुआ. Now his need, his demand is to get fish, right? But what is his desire? जल्दी मिल जाए, will go home and cook and do something.
Weird all.
सर मेरा
मेरा एडहेसिव का नाम है गोल्ड बॉन्ड, कैन इवन मेंड अ ब्रोकन हार्ट.
Ask him where should we put that. So the problem, you look at the problem statement here. The problem statement is I need to get fish. I need to get it quick. It's a very very old ad. ठीक है? Most of you are tech savvy. Tech तुम्हारा सब काम इस डब्बे में चलता है. ठीक है? So how to promote? प्रोडक्ट प्रमोट करना इजी है. ठीक है? तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं है, पार्क के आगे जाके लगा लो, ठेला लगा के बैठ जाओ, बिक जाएगा. ठीक है? But how to sell something which is intangible? So the first and foremost thing before intangible, like I said, imagine Apple coming in. How will you imagine? Is the people behind it? So when I say people, it's trust or impression. What is the difference? Who will you believe? Trust or impression? Trust.
Impression leads to trust.
Yeah. Exactly. I was going to ask you.
First time using relation, then after trust. Or first time using relation, then after trust.
Okay. How many products or how many people have you trusted when you met them?
How many products?
Do you get to understand them fully when you meet in the first impression? But
No, sir.
for example, he arranged this session. You don't know who I am. I'm sure he didn't send you anything about me, right? I came here. अभी तक तो अच्छा जा रहा है. I don't see any. मतलब फेस से ही दिख जाता है मेरे को. ऐसा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm sure you will be knowing these two, and I want you to lift your hands, the ones who don't know. Who is this?
Sir, Ratan.
Acha. Who is this?
Mani.
Who will you trust? Right?
हमने नमक खाया.
Yeah.
नमक खाया. देश का नमक. All the reels you see, no? Tata नमक, देश का नमक. Have you seen? No, see, both are businessmen. But actually, Ambani makes more money than him.
Yes.
Agree? But why you relate Tata with trust? What is the reason? You think Tata doesn't make money at all? Doesn't make profit at all?
Yeah, he makes.
But why?
His lifetime is
The humanity is associated with humanity.
And हमारे generation में we know him. Maybe sir will know J.I.T. Tata and all.
अभी actually only Mukesh Ambani because he's alive, वो चला गया, so
हाँ.
जो है उसका बात करो ना.
देखा? See?
The difference?
Tangible versus intangible. So, basically, when a company is there, with the people, you decide to trust. Right? Now Tata launches anything during his time or even now. Will you at least try it? How many of you started? I mean, Nepal में big basket है क्या? What is the Tata product you have in Nepal? Except for namak. Namak तो छोड़ दो.
गाड़ी
गाड़ी है. Right? How many of you earlier जो पहले का टाटा का गाड़ी था, people used to hate them,
Yes.
right? अभी how is the? Do you desire if you have the money, will you go for Tata?
Yes.
Why?
The brand value.
मतलब after acquisition of Land Rover and Jaguar, you really see the difference, right? And see, it was a business transaction. Land Rover और Jaguar को खरीद लिया. Why are we so proud of it? Because what is Tata doing is there is something called as latent demand. अगर ये आपने क्रैक कर दिया ना, you are a winner. Latent demand money, I need something, but I will never ask for it. If you give me, I will be happy. इंडिया, नेपाल, सबका इच्छा क्या था कि मेरे को रेंज रोवर की तरह गाड़ी चाहिए, बस 10 लाख रुपए दूंगा या 20 लाख रुपए दूंगा, राइट? रेंज रोवर 20 लाख में नहीं है, हाँ तो दिला दिया। रेंज रोवर मिनिमम 1 करोड़ है, पर हैरियर है, nothing but as Range Rover at 30 lakhs. That is the latent demand. See, I need something, I will never ask for it. If you give me, I will be happy. So the people behind the business is very important, especially for if you deal with something more technology, more on a consulting side, your face value matters bigger, especially in legal, especially in customer retention and all things. Your face value matters the most. How will you build trust? How will you build trust? He's too busy with charging. क्योंकि लीगल का काम है.
Yeah.
I should have trust to tell you all the, give you all the data.
thing that we did was like we participated in awards ceremony, and like we were also finalists among them, and like we presented like we were like finalists over there. And
Also deeper. One company is coming to you. Okay, all legal advice. The process. And morning all of you were telling me, the process which you are doing. Very interesting one. Process mein what is important here? Speed or reliability? Right? Okay, I am reliable, I will take 1 year to produce something. Will you buy? He has a Scorpio. Today I go to Mahindra and buy a vehicle, he said 6 months waiting time. You pay me the money, it's reality. You pay me the money, you wait for 6 months. I'm not saying that people are not buying. But there are people like me who say, why should I give you all my money and wait for 6 months? I want speed here. Classical example. Who will you trust?
Chinese.
How many Chinese products do you use?
All.
You say Japan, you trust, but why are you buying Chinese products? वो जो थप्पा लगा है ना एप्पल का, वो भी चाइना में ही बनता है.
even that made in India and made in Japan.
Even a choice, yes.
Yeah, we don't have choice.
मजबूरी का नाम महात्मा गांधी.
So, whenever you speak about the process of your business, especially into something which is non-tangible, you have to speak about both the commitment as well as the reliability, especially in legal services. People will expect quick resolution, right? But in order to give him a quick resolution, you should not drop it. So the final thing, we don't have, as I said earlier, this is gave me 1.5 hours. The final, no, इसके बाद एक और slide है. Tell the difference between these two.
I don't mind.
What is the difference? अच्छा,
Fast and
ये Mercedes का S class है, one of the premium cars in Mercedes. This is obviously Rolls-Royce. What is the difference? In process angle सोचो. ये मत सोचो कि Mercedes Germany है ये process. What is the process of Mercedes? What is the process of Rolls-Royce? One word answer.
Mercedes.
So they are more.
They make an aircraft engine as well. They are associated with aircraft.
ठीक है सर, मतलब your point is 100% valid, but it is to 1% of the population. इसका डिमांड ज्यादा है.
So luxury.
99% हम क्या दें?
Sir, it has human emotions.
How?
Because most of the parts are that they show in humans and people are.
Yeah, man. Wow.
So, Rolls-Royce gives you a perception key. When you order a car, I will make it from my own hand. That is where people are willing to pay him more and people are willing to wait. Now Mahindra will say that, हाँ भाई तुमने गाड़ी बुक कर दी, आनंद महिंद्रा आके करेगा ऐसे, कोई नहीं करे. But whereas in Mercedes, it is still a mass production, right? It is made in factory. So hand touch, people who are especially dealing with gifting, bamboo products and all, कोई है ना यहाँ पे? Promote the word hand touch.
Yes.
वीडियो बनाओ कि आप खुद कर रहे हो, no need. करती हो?
Yes.
Yeah,
So you should check our social media bamboo bazaar.
sure. Now I was about to ask you, I mean after session,
Feedback also.
Sir, in MMA event, you can order the bamboo.
I will buy from her. I mean, I already decided.
Oh.
So few
You do your
extra
business, huh?
live from the process, right? Do you really think Rolls Royce हाथ से बनता है?
नहीं
बट ये परसेप्शन क्रिएट किया है ना, उससे मिलता है. ठीक है. As I said earlier, main purpose of doing business is जब छोड़ दो CSR के लिए बोलो I am doing sustainable, doing good for society घंटा. Any good? Yeah. The final thing is physical evidence. डिजिटल है, AI tools बना रहे हो, ठीक है. How can I feel, touch an AI tool? That is what sells, right? Final thing.
Yes.
So ownership versus experience. Between Google, you experience Google or you own Google? अच्छा. ऐसे यूज करते हो जैसे बेचारा आपका ये स्लेव है, हर चीज में गूगल. I mean, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking generally. Okay, you say Google as an experience. What do you talk about AI?
AI is also about experience.
So which one will you take ownership?
This laptop is an ownership. I can
अरे वो
compare the-
product I am talking about something, a technology which you cannot see and touch. Laptop is a physical device, it's a hardware, right?
Yes.
लैपटॉप के अंदर जो सॉफ्टवेयर है उसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. विच इज एन ओनरशिप, विच इज एन एक्सपीरियंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट इज एन iOS, दैट इज एन विंडोज.
Yes.
विच इज एन एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट?
The operating system.
हाँ, विच इज एन एक्सपीरियंस.
I think we didn't understand like what do you mean by ownership?
So which is easy to
Ownership.
use.
Ownership, yeah, basically which is
You can control the whole.
which is very
Ownership our Facebook account.
Simple,
is
yeah.
Honored by ours.
which is your day-to-day activity, which you don't need any efforts to put to use it. ठीक है. How many of you use electric brush here? You brush your teeth. Okay. If I give electric brush to all of you, will it be an experience?
Yeah.
पहले तो पता ही नहीं लगेगा कि कैसे करना है. But for him now it has become an habit. Yeah. So what I'm saying Google has become so much a part of our life that for everything it's very easy, you know. Even a person in village today, a person who doesn't have any knowledge, any education, can use Google. But the same person can use AI.
ChatGPT
No.
they can use now.
ChatGPT अभी है, वो voice command से कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
But what I'm going to show you is this.
Oh.
Alias.
LA.
What do you feel about him? Alien. Somebody said alien. What do you feel about him?
Genius.
Gee.
Whatever he does,
Ownership or experience?
ownership is Google. But whatever he does, do you understand anything what he does? How many of you understand how Elon Musk makes money?
If we
But he
had
makes
known, then
money.
we would have been
It's an
billionaires.
experience. Tesla गाड़ी छोड़ी. I mean, I have not seen, but it's an experience, right? For car drivers and all, it's an experience, right? So, that's it. Thank you. I have only this much time. Thank you. See, I see a promotion coming.
So most people actually.
Yeah.
The Google will
You want more such sessions?
Hindi language
In Nepal, we will call him in Nepal.